We brawling, baby! C-Town!
Jesus. You gotta say that.
Boom! Boom!
I've never boomed.
You're not the boom today, babe. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of RK Outdoor Adventures. Today, beautiful Sunday, we're gonna go out of Edgewater Marina in Cleveland and go do some walleye slaying, hopefully for the fall brawl, baby. Boom! Today's special guest, of course, my lovely wife, Kim Kyler.
Boom.
And special guest today, Josh Binnekoffer.
Boom. Especially call him Jeremy.
Everybody's got jokes. All right, here we go. Boom, baby. Fall brawl, baby! Walleye number one, fall brawling, baby. Woo! Yeah, good call on that fish.
Thank you. I'm usually not wrong.
Fish number 2.
All right, picking up trash on Lake Erie. We got a little love balloon here or something. You still on?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, now just a little bit back. You gotta steal it, baby, steal it. Is that on? Yeah, it's on. Good. Nice and slow, baby. He's gonna jump and fight and everything.
It's gonna be a fight. Oh, yep. That's what they do.
That's all right. Put the rod.
Oh my God.
Nice and slow, baby. Nice and slow.
Right. Oh, it's off.
Oh. Come on, man. You go walleye. Let's go. Fall brawling, number 3.
Fish number 3.
Woohoo! Big seal!
He's big.
Yeah,
He's off.
He's off. All right. Nice walleye for Kimmy. Not gonna win the fall brawl. Woo!
Through his eye.
Yeah.
Number 4. Boom.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna call it a wrap. We caught 4 walleye really quick, lost 4 steelhead really quick, and after that they just kind of shut down. We tried and tried. Bandits did the trick. Bandits. That's all I got. Thanks for watching another awesome episode of RK Outdoors. Boom!